Oregano is a strong antimicrobial herb that has been shown to be effective against a variety of bacteria and fungi in vitro. One randomized, double-blind study showed that an oregano extract ointment decreased bacterial contamination and infection of post-surgical wounds. For external use, oregano can be brewed as a tea or used diluted as a tincture, as a wash to inhibit pathogens on the skin. It's often used internally for digestive pathogens. Internally, I recommend using it as a tea or tincture rather than an essential oil. When using the essential oil externally, it needs to be properly diluted, and the dilution amount varies depending on the person's sensitivity. Oregano leaves tea or diluted oregano tincture can be used as a mouthwash too. For best results, swish for several minutes, even up to 20 minutes at a time. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.